So, you want to commit tax fraud. This is for you poor souls who live in the US of A, where your forefathers look onto your country and just wonder, how did it turn into this shit? So, as the young patriot that you are, you want to use your God-given right to avoid paying taxes as all good Americans should. There are a few ways to go about this. 1. Just report the wrong number. You see, because the United States is corrupt as hell, it is one of the few developed countries where your taxes aren't automatically calculated and deducted, which means that tax fraud is as simple as a slip of the pen. Just leave 1 or 2 zeros off your tax form when you hand it into the tax office and boom, you just committed tax fraud. But you'll be caught. You see, the United States actually does calculate the amount of tax you have to pay through your social security number linked to your job. So to get around this, you'll have to own a cash-based business where numbers can be hard to determine, like a $2 shop or a laundromat. Option 2, be self-employed or own a company. The issue of committing tax fraud in the USA is that the IRS already knows how much you need to pay before you pay it. The best way for you to avoid this issue is to be self-employed or own a business and constantly keep that business in debt. That way it's technically not profitable and you're losing money on it. So, while you're paying no tax on your business, it's still worth money and you can get loans off the business and use that for your own personal use. Boom. Free, untaxed money. This is basically the same way both Elon and Bezos use to avoid paying taxes. Option 3. So, it has just come to my attention that, unlike my home country down under, gambling winnings in the US are fully taxable. So, scratch this, you only get 2 ideas.